Today, you will learn how to compress Word document with pictures. This is our Word document, and as you can see, its size is around 10 megabytes. If we open it, you can see it contains both text and pictures. First, click on any picture in your document. Then, click the Picture Format tab, go to the Adjust section, and click Compress Pictures. In the Compression Options window, make sure Apply Only to this picture is unchecked so the changes apply to every image in the document. Also make sure Delete Cropped Areas of Pictures is checked. Under Resolution, select Use Default Resolution, then click OK. Next, click File, then Options. From the left side, click Advanced and scroll down to Image Size and Quality. Make sure Discard Editing Data is checked and Do Not Compress Images in File is not checked. Then set the default resolution to 96 ppi or another low resolution to reduce the file size even more. Now click Save on the left and under Preserve Fidelity when saving this document, make sure Embed Fonts in the file is not checked. Click OK, then save the document. Close the file, refresh the folder, then right-click the document and choose Properties. You can see the file size has dropped from around 10 megabytes to about 1 megabyte, making it much easier to store, upload, and share. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.